In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Grok. Whether you're more comfortable navigating in a different language or you're setting up Grok for a teammate, this quick walkthrough will help you switch the interface in just a few clicks. Begin by opening your favorite web browser and searching for Grok AI. In the results, look for the official Grok website. It should clearly show the grok.com address. Clicking the correct link ensures you land on the authentic site and avoids any confusion from sponsored results or lookalikes. Once you're on Grok, head to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might appear as your photo, initials, or a simple avatar. Click it to open your account menu. If you're using a smaller screen, the menu might be tucked behind a compact icon in the same area, but it functions the same way. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a dedicated panel where you can adjust how Grok behaves for your account. Inside Settings, locate the language section. You'll see your current language listed, so you know exactly what's active right now. Next, click Change. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through to find the one you prefer, then click it once. Grok updates the interface language to match your selection. In most cases, the change is immediate, and you'll notice menus, buttons, and labels switch over right away. Here are a few helpful tips. If the interface doesn't update instantly on every page, give the browser a quick refresh to apply the new language everywhere. If you picked a language by mistake, simply return to the same language section and choose a different one. Some languages may be labeled as beta or preview, which just means translations are still being polished. This setting focuses on the app interface, so your previous chats stay exactly as they were written. When you're done, close the settings panel and continue using Grok in the language that feels most natural to you. The next time you visit, Grok will remember this preference for your account on that browser. If you use multiple devices or browsers, repeat the same steps to keep everything consistent. And that's it. You searched for Grok, opened the site, clicked your profile icon, went into Settings, opened the language section, hit Change, and selected the language you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother experience with Grok in your preferred language.